At Acacia Gardens, we are passionate about outdoors and care for our environment. We design and build a range of sustainable gardens, from small courtyards to contemporary urban gardens, rooftop gardens and country estates. As much as adding a value to your property, we want to make the garden a space for you to relax, be proud of, enjoy and have fun. We work with different types of clients and professionals, including garden designers. When you contact us, we'll go through your requirements and usually arrange a site consultation. During the site visit, we'll go through your brief, have a look at some examples of inspirational gardens and answer any questions you might have. For clients who want in garden design, we have a specialist in-house team who carefully plan and design every step of the process. Our team of design experts will work with you to create a garden that you will fall in love with. Drawing up detailed plans, exploring key features, showing material selections, planting, lighting, and creating 3D visuals to show exactly what the garden will look like. Then we hand it over to our skilled team of landscapers who will transform your garden. As much as adding value to your home, we want to create a space that is unique to you, a beautiful garden that you can enjoy all year round. Contact us, we're ready to create your dream garden.